we're going to be checking out 9 years old Journey sing Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. Okay, and this is quarterfinals at AGT 2024. I can just imagine what he sang, and this is so beautiful. So if you just see me for the first time, I'm Adele. Please like the video. It actually pushes it for more, and subscribe so that you can get back to our video. Okay, so let's dive into that video. Okay.
Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little
I love the
birds
hair.
by my doorstep, singing sweet songs. A melody's pure and true, saying, "This is my message to you."
Touchy. It's just 9 years.
Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. We're singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright.
Beautiful girl.
It's gonna be alright.
This is beautiful. Okay, I could really tell you that he's so talented, and this is the way he turns this song to look like he actually owns this song. And that's the reason why I must say there should be a space for him for the finals, because he is so talented. He is just 9 years old, and with this, yo, if this guy can actually sing like this at 9 years old, he's definitely going to be a genius. A genius. I bet you that, because this is way too much for his age, and I love the way he carried it. Like, yeah, I don't know, but I so much love everything about him. But don't forget to like this video. It actually helps the algorithm to push it to more subscribers, more audience to to watch. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Okay, for more. I'll see you on our next one. Bye.